COMDELTA is a leading company that designs, develops and manufactures solar-powered aviation obstruction lights or aircraft warning lights globally. Made with high-quality, eco-friendly, recyclable material, COMDELTA products have proven durability and reliability in the harshest of environments. They have a lifespan of up to 10 years and can be installed in just a few minutes. Using an IoT platform, COMDELTA Smart Solar Aviation Obstruction Lights are embedded with sensors and GPRS-based IoT device for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with our web-based Centralized Management System (CMS). The CMS monitors and immediately detects any malfunction of the products. All our lights are assigned with a dedicated ID for identification. And through the Centralized Management System, the units can be accessed from anywhere in the world. In addition, the GPS synchronized lights supplies a timing pulse to ensure synchronized flashing between lights, allowing structures to be more visible to the aircraft. The SSAOL are made to meet the ICAO Annex 14, FAA Specification L864, and Airport Standard Directive 404 ASD 404 standards, and are certified by the Civil Aviation Authority of Malaysia (CAAM). Facing problems with product failure? Fret not. COMDELTA provides total care for your lighting system through remote support that can efficiently solve any problems faster than ever. Our in-house LoRa communication module offers compelling features for applications including long range, low power consumption, and secure data transmission to help reduce operational costs with minimal human intervention, hence making it a perfect fit for transmission towers, high-rise buildings, telecommunication towers, chimney structures, and construction cranes. At COMDELTA, we constantly evolve with new technologies to advance the performance standards of our solar-powered obstruction lightings. Using innovative illumination in new and connected ways, we promise you a sky safer to fly.